Morning. We've done a little work this morning. You can see the tall thicket grass sticking up above the cars in the back, about 3 rows. We've cleaned all these up. But I'm gonna go down through here. We're gonna try to do a little different on our videos, try something new. Cole found where we can use old car commercials. And I'm gonna stop down here on one car. These are all the 2-doors. I know somebody'd rather see the 2 doors. Convertible. Yeah, we'll go down through here. I got a 66 Charger I'm gonna show y'all. Then we'll get through. Nicole's found some old car commercials, and she's gonna put a commercial for that car. I always like seeing old commercials, see what actors they got and what things they offered the future. All right there's a 1966 Dodge Charger. We moved this one not too long ago from up front, I believe, because it was in pretty good shape. And I'd open the doors, but it looks like if I did, a bunch of stuff would fall out. What kind of videos would y'all shoot if you could come to work and you took breaks? You could walk around these old cars and check them out. Is there anything y'all would do or do different? Well, let's see what she looks like back then.
This is the Chrysler 15-foot runabout with a Chrysler 75 horsepower motor. We're setting course for a rendezvous with the leader of the Dodge Rebellion.
The leader is here. New Dodge Charger, the dream car that had to see the light of day. All ahead full its flash of sports car spirit in luxury car style. Custom features on Charger, the standard. Buckets, fore and aft. Jack up front. Center sports console. Hideaway headlight. Tail light across the stern. Don't miss the boat. Rendezvous with new Dodge Charger.
The Dodge Rebellion wants you.
Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. We'll be back here sometime tomorrow, maybe the next day. Do at it again.